Milky Pastoral and I am a second-year student of BS Astronomy in Rizal Technological University. We have here our respondent in our thesis or research paper, The Perception of Astronomy Students at Rizal Technological University about Colonizing Mars. The first question in our research is, what are your thoughts about colonizing Mars?
My thoughts about colonizing Mars, for me, it's a negative one. Kasi yung thoughts ko doon parang, alam mo yun, sobrang delikado na ng Earth para maghahanap tayo ng alternative for another habitable planet for us to live in. Parang gano'n. Na parang, the Earth is not healthy anymore.
Okay, thank you.
That's it.
Next question is, what could be the reasons why many astronomers want to colonize Mars despite of the things that you have said?
I think the reasons, kasi gusto nilang maging ready tayo, na parang it's not too late. Parang meron tayong option. Now, when it comes na, ayun nga, parang syempre, the Earth is not healthy. So, parang, syempre, with climate change kasi, yun nga, naghahanap sila ng parang alternative na para, yung at least meron tayong malilipatan agad. That's the first reason. Second reason, siguro, yung, syempre, people or humans are growing. Yung number ng people, nag-grow siya every day. So, siguro, kapag overpopulated na yung, iniisip siguro ng mga astronomers na kapag overpopulated na yung humans, meron silang, anong tawag ito? Neighbor planet. So, ganun. Parang ganun. Yun po.
Okay.
Two reasons lang.
Our third question, what do you think are the struggles that humans can encounter while living on Mars?
I think one of their struggles is yung water. Kasi hindi pa masyadong present sa Mars ang water. So, mahihirapan yung parang source nila ng water. Tapos, second, siguro yung place nila na sa air when it comes to oxygen. Kasi, di ba, oxygen ang kailangan nating humans. And I think resources din na mahihirapan kasi it would take they can spend or they will spend huge amount of money para ma-transfer yung mga resources and kung ano man yung may build dun sa Mars. Yun, that's the struggles.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. And the last question is, how do you think rovers that were sent on Mars are helping astronomers on Earth to discover things on Mars?
I think through the rovers, yung mga pinapadala sa Mars, nakakatulong siya para, katulad ni Perseverance, tinitignan niya yung mga soil, yung kung ano yung nasa ground, para makita if meron siyang kapareho or resemblance sa Earth for it to be habitable. Parang ganun. Siguro yung sa din, syempre, yung kung paano siguro, parang nakaka-help din siya na may mga cameras din, di ba, yung mga devices nun. So parang, through those lenses, nakikita mo kung paano din pwedeng mabuhay. So parang nakaka-help siya na nakikita nung device na yun, or parang perspective nung device na yun, parang as an astronomer, parang napupunta mo na rin yung sarili mo doon. Yun yung lens na parang nafe-feel, para ipa-feel sa'yo na ganito yung magiging buhay mo pag nandito ka sa Mars. Parang ganon.
Okay, thank you so much for answering the question to our respondent. Thank you so much again.
Good evening. My name is Josh Andrea Leoncito. I am an astronomy student at Rizal Technological University doing qualitative research about the effects of climate change to Filipinos' mental health. And here we have our respondent to answer the questions. First question. How do you feel if you heard that people only have 3 to 5 years to save the Earth?
Pinaka naramdaman ko when I heard that we only have 3 to 5 years to save the Earth is anxiety. Since parang naiisip ko every night before matulog na, ay parang bukas kaya pagising ko, ganun pa rin ba? May hihingahan pa ba yung mga tao? Parang mag-end of the world na ba? Something like that. And of course, parang nakakalungkot din, aside from the anxiety itself, nakakalungkot din na we only have, parang binigyan na ng taning yung Earth. And of course, parang a little bit of hope na baka magising yung tao na alagaan yung planeta natin. Kasi yun na nga, binigyan na ng taning. And mostly, pag binigyan ng time limit, parang I hope na people will realize how it is important, how Earth is, and our environment itself, how it is important for us humans.
So next question. What are your insights knowing that you can only save the Earth in a span of 3 to 5 years?
Parang pakiramdam ko, magpa-procrastinate ako. Kasi, I can only do small things to help the environment or the Earth itself. Parang, I can only help by not throwing litters everywhere, hindi pagdura sa kung saan, plant some small plants at hindi puno. I never planted a tree since then. So, parang ngayon, there was an urge for me to do more, to do bigger things that I know that I can do now as an adult. Hindi lang sa pagtatapon ng basura sa tamang basurahan, hindi lang sa pagtatanim ng maliliit na halaman, but I want to do more, bigger, and mas nakaka-influensya sa ibang tao.
So next, how does climate change affect you mentally?
Ayun, same sa pagkakaroon din ng anxiety, parang nakaka-depress actually. And there was a side for me na, syempre, when we do meditation, we need to have trees around us, green things, and then a lot of oxygens, walang pollution, and something like that. So, parang mas nakaka-depress doon sa part na magkakaroon ng climate change, tapos parang parang nasisira na yung planeta natin. Nakakapanik, parang nahihirapan akong isipin kung ano yung bukas. Parang depression and anxiety.
Thinking of that situation, ma'am, does it frighten you? Or if that frightens you, how do you say so?
Yes, it's very frightening for me to, especially as an overthinker, na-imagine ko what would happen for our future. And as someone na may maliit na kapatid, I usually think of them if they are going to see the future, if they are still able to breathe in a clean air, if makakakita pa ba sila ng puno since, nagkakaubusan na since deforestation and ginagawa nilang village yung mga puno, yung mga bundok, And nakakatakot kasi nagkakaroon ng parang nagkakaroon ng kaguluhan, and mostly people are nagpo-protesta na, humihingi na ng tulong. I mean, nakakatakot na pag yung scientist na yung mga nagsalita kasi they know more than normal people like us. Ayun, ganun.
I'm glad to hear your answers, ma'am. Thank you for your response.